Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to the week 2 Desmos activity for my Algebra 1B class. In this activity, we're going to explore more with graphs of linear systems of equations. That's two or more lines altogether, and identifying where the solution is. So we go. This video hopefully help you get started with working through this activity and understanding our concepts for the week. So here we are on the screen preview. We're on slide 1 of 6, and we're asked to find the solution. Consider the system of linear solutions here. So there's two lines. Drag the point to show its solution. So solution, if you remember, is where they intersect. So I needed to drag the point right there. And there's the solution. The solution is where the two lines intersect, which is at the point -4 and 1. All right, so we submit that. Let's move on to the next slide. Sketch a system of two linear equations whose solution is -1 and 3. So we've got a line tool, got a pencil tool. So I'm going to first make a point at -1 and 3. It's -1 for an x value and 3 for a y value. So my two lines need to intersect right there. That's the solution point. So let's make a line right here. There's one line. Let's change colors. Let's do green. And now I need to make a line, -3, -1. I need to make a line that also intersects right there as well. Okay. There's my two lines, a system of two linear equations whose solution is right there, -1 and 3. Now here's where I've got some fun parts. I've got graphs, I've got solution points, and I need to match each graph over here. 1, 2, 3, and there's one more hidden over here, 4 graphs with the right solution. So if I look at this one on the left here, it looks like it intersects at -4 and 1. So I'm going to find -4 and 1 and put those over, just like that. They match up. This one matches up at -1 and -3. So this one matches up right there. And if I want to, I can look at the answer key just to check my work to make sure I'm on the right track. I'm going to sort these systems. Now this is getting into thinking about how we would algebraically solve this. So the last 2 weeks we've been using the substitution method and we've been using the elimination method. So now we're thinking which one would be best for which situation. Substitution is good if you have one of the variables all by itself. So this one I've got y all isolated, so I'm thinking I would use substitution on this one. Elimination is good if they're both in standard form and your variables are all lined up. So x's, y's, constants, those are all lined up. So I would use elimination with this one. Explain how you're thinking. Again, how do you know which method is best? Substitution or elimination? Elimination is also called the addition method as well too. And then finally, solve each system without graphing, and then sort them into groups. So here's one system. Solve it out. I'd probably use elimination on this. This is good practice. Find out which x value or which y values go with which system, and then line them all up. So when you're all done, again, you can check your work on the answer key. But good luck. This is a lot of review, a lot of putting together, a lot of concepts that we've been learning the last couple of weeks with systems of equations.